Welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be making steak, asparagus, and mashed potatoes. Follow along and enjoy. We'll be sharpening our knives and chop off all your potatoes. However you guys want, you guys can chop it. I like mine cubes. I'm going to be using about 12 potatoes. There it is. If you guys want, you guys can leave the skin on. That's how I like it, but whatever you guys prefer. If you guys want to know what knife I'm using, it's going to be Forged in Fire. It's one of the best knives, I think, and I would highly recommend if you guys are really into cooking. So we're going to boil these potatoes nice and fresh. Make sure you guys boil it well and season it after you guys are done boiling. We're gonna add some garlic. You guys can take one garlic, that's enough. Smash it, one smash. There it is. Comes off right away. There you go. Doesn't really matter, guys. You guys can cut it as small or as thick as you guys want. It's gonna melt in the hot water anyway, so. Just drop this in your boiling water. You should do it. Alright guys, it's time for everybody's favorite steak. So we're gonna fire up the stove, bring it to medium heat, and before anything, make sure you guys get some olive oil. Olive oil. So we got some fresh steak. We're gonna be seasoning with salt, pepper. It's about a tablespoon. Smash it. I'd say about a tablespoon each. So we're going to be adding Malibu all-purpose seasoning to your steak. Make sure you take care of both sides. There it is. Pinch of salt. Beautiful pan. Here it is, guys. Let's check on our potatoes. Make sure you're able to poke your fork, and that's how you can determine whether it's cooked or not. Seems like we still need about 5 minutes. So it depends on your taste buds. I normally go with medium well or medium. However, you can do it medium rare, it's up to you guys. But for this specific steak, we're gonna be putting each side for 7 to 10 minutes. That way we can get that medium charcoal flavor. So meanwhile our steak is on a pan, we can just work on our asparagus. It's nothing too major, you guys can just cut it off from both sides. Simple. This one, I'm gonna leave the tips on top, that way it looks pretty. That's about it. So I have a quick poll for you. What do you guys think? Should we stay with the kitchen or should we stick with our natural, wildlife, primitive style cooking? Leave in the comment section below and let me know. So we're gonna be checking our potato. Grab your fork, poke it in. As long as it goes slow, you guys are ready to go. All right guys, strain your water. Steak looks well done. We're gonna be taking it off now. Leave it to rest for about 3 minutes. And meanwhile, you guys can continue using your other steaks. There it goes. A little bit of olive oil for that juicy flavor. I would say about a teaspoon. So we're gonna be adding a bowl of milk. A little bit of salt. Say about a tablespoon. And the main ingredient is gonna be butter. The more buttery, the better it is. Make sure you guys are checking on your steak. Here goes the boss flip. No, we need a little bit more salt. I would say about 2 tablespoons. Flip your steak. Flavor check. Yep. Ready to go. All right, guys, the second steak is ready. This is about medium rare. We're gonna let it set for about 3 minutes. We're gonna add our last steak in. Here it goes. Crema Mexicana. There it is. Say about 2 tablespoons. Seems like our mashed potatoes are ready. Our last thing is gonna be asparagus, so we're gonna be doing that after steak. We're just waiting on our asparagus. It's gonna be the last thing. And the best part about this plant, it's healthy. Not only that, but it cooks well and it cooks fast. You guys don't have to wait 5-10 minutes. It's about 2 to 3 minutes. That should do it. We're gonna be taking it off for some rest. As I said, 3 minutes should do it. Voila! Wow, that looks delicious. Oops. Spoon, 2 tablespoons, olive oil, your asparagus. Salt. So we got Stella Rosa, the black. We're gonna be adding it in our asparagus. Seems like our asparagus ready. Now it's time for presentation. Add our steak on top. Get your asparagus. side. The rosemary leaves. Guys, that's the beauty. Make sure it's well washed. And all you have to do, there it is. Last but not the least, get some A1 sauce. Drip. We're gonna be pouring Stella Rosa Black. Here it is. We got steak, asparagus, mashed potatoes, and some wine. Make sure you guys share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.